13908 Felix Wheel. It's a gorgeous house in the South Fork subdivision, and I'm gonna show it to you. So please welcome home. As you walk into the house, there is the foyer, which probably about 5 feet, maybe 6 feet, and it's just beautiful. To your left, you have 2 bedrooms. This one, which is used as an office, and then you have the other one, this one. So this home is got a lot of upgrades. This is the other bathroom. The second bathroom has granite countertops, and you have storage. Noting the floors, got laminated wood floors, which is new, and then you got a little pantry here. As you walk into the house, you have more storage. Let me show you all. Plenty storage. To your right, you have a laundry room. A good sized laundry room as well. My favorite part of the house is the backyard. You can't see it from here, but we're gonna go there. So you have a formal living room. Let me move a little bit farther. And your formal dining room. It's a 3-way split. So there was 2 bedrooms over that we just passed by. And this one, you have another bedroom. It's a good sized bedroom. And that door over there opens up to the bathroom. So this can be used as a mother-in-law suite or a private quarters. Now, this is the 2nd-way split. Now we're gonna be heading to the master. Pass by the kitchen. Let's go over the kitchen right now. You see the tall cabinets with plank shelves on top. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a backsplash. You got plenty storage in here. And then you have an eating space in the kitchen. So you got the dinette, and this view is to the family room area that connects to the kitchen. Now, this is the master. It's a huge master with laminated wood floors. And you have 2 walk-in closets over here. I'll show you one. The other one's a little bit smaller, but this one is huge. And you got some more over that way. And then you got another one. This is the master bathroom. Look at the shower. The shower is just huge. And you have granite countertops as well. Plenty storage. And then you have the commode. But last but not least is the view that you have from your patio. So here you have the most beautiful view you can ask for. Look, it's a huge lanai with brick, completely screened. You hear the kids playing in the neighborhood, and the beautiful lake. It's just gorgeous. So this is Florida, so you can enjoy this area. There is room for a pool if you decided to put a pool. If not, you can just enjoy. The community has a pool, so welcome home. If you have any questions about it, just let me know. And we got the drone going here. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.